friends, I am Dr. Prashant here in Vet for Your Pets series. Today we will talk about the rains and the diseases caused during this season. We like rains a lot. Even the dogs and the pets, they like it, enjoy the rain. But being damp and wet for a long time may cause a lot of trouble and diseases to human beings as well as pets. We'll talk about pets. Now, when a street dog, they are exposed to a lot of moisture or plain getting wet, they contract a lot of diseases. Let's start with the parasites. Ectoparasites, which may be flea, mites or other insects which crawl over the body. They cause a lot of problem. Tick fever is one of them, and along with that we find a lot of other fungal problems. So fungus is a major problem for the dogs, pets and even the domestic pets. To take care of fungus and all, first of all, we have to groom our pet regularly. Also, dry the pet as much as possible. Bathing should not be done every day, but grooming should be done every day, and weekly bathing will also take good care of the pets. Some people bathe more frequently, or rather the interval of 5 days. That's a little okay, but not very frequently. Apart from fungal diseases and ticks and mites diseases, there is a very good chance of your dog getting viral diseases. So for viral diseases, first of all, you have to get the vaccination done. Because once the dog or the pet gets any of the viral disease, it becomes progressively very difficult to treat. It may take days and there is a tormentation to the dog, no doubt. The results are also good and satisfying, but not 100%. So prevention is always better than cure. At the same time, you try and take care of the mites or other ectoparasites which might be there on the body of a pet or stray dog. There might be internal parasites also, so we commonly call them worms. So internal worms, deworming should be conducted every 3 months. At the same time, for ectoparasites, there are many medicines available. It may be injectable form or oral form. But we should avoid over medication in case of such type of ectoparasites or internal parasites. Now, after giving ectoparasite medicine once, what should we do to avoid the overuse of such type of anti-parasitic measures? So for that, keeping them clean, dusting, at the same time, if you find any bald patches, then you can apply neem oil to it, which is safe, herbal, organic, and it doesn't create any rashes or other lesions or allergies. Even if the dog licks it, bites it, he is not harmed due to it. Now, along with that, you have to take care that after application, and you keep it for a few minutes, you should wipe it off, and you should not let everything remain on the body of the pet or the stray dog. We have observed that sometimes due to malnutrition or improper nutrition, they have the habit of licking everything. Due to licking, they get a lot of diseases. Same way, coming in contact with any affected animal, our pet or a stray dog can get affected due to either fungus or viral disease, or it may be even bacterial disease, and so we have to protect them from such type of contact and getting the disease. Along with that, it is observed that the animals or the pets who we keep indoors, if they are exposed too much to the AC and fresh air is not allowed, then there might be problem of bed mites or dust mites. These also affect the animal adversely. So we have to take care that the aeration in the room should be adequate. You may switch on the AC for a little while, but not for all the 24 hours of the day. They should be exposed to fresh air as well. Exercise is also important, and due to rains we are not sometimes able to take them outside. So find out the places where we can walk them or give them exercise. It may be terrace, it may be a balcony or within the house, and wherever you walk the dog, within the house or outside. In the house you have to take care that it should be clean. Outside may not be as clean, so when you bring them back from the walk, at that time you wash their feet properly. Some shoes are also available if you want to use them. They are anti-skid shoes, so they are useful sometimes when you take your dog outside. If you take your pet outside, make sure that it doesn't go into the puddles due to the rains, because that can be very hazardous. It may carry some worms or some sort of mites, etc., or some other bacterial infections or viral also, and protecting them from such type of puddles is very necessary. Along with that, there are some home remedies. So if you notice ticks or mites and bald patches on the skin, then you can apply neem oil, which is a home remedy. It is herbal, organic and useful. No doubt, many medicines and other preparations are available. You can make use of them, but judiciously. Now coming to the food, it is very important that you give good nutritious food with omega-3 etc., but preferably homemade. No doubt, the outside food, they add a lot of vitamins, minerals, and they try to see and ensure that you get the food of good quality. At the same time, malnutrition is avoided. But keeping the food for a long time, it may attract a lot of virus or fungus or bacteria. Best is home food, properly cooked and given fresh to the animal. Human being also is given fresh food and it's good, but he can resist certain type of diseases. Your pet will not be able to resist as much as we do. So it should be given proper fresh food. At the same time, calcium supplementation should not be stopped, because many a times due to lack of calcium, they tend to start leaking here or there, or they try to grab whatever they can. It may be leather article, or it may be mud, sand, or even lime from the walls. Along with food, deworming and other measures that we take, most important is grooming of the dog, which should be done every day. It may be dry grooming and bathing the dog once in a week, or if If you want to increase the frequency, it may be 5 days before you give a proper bath, and using good shampoo is very necessary. Here also, if you want a herbal measure which is totally neg and safe, you can use neem water. You can boil the neem in water properly and use it. So neem oil as well as neem water can be useful, no doubt. Many shampoos and other products are available in the market. You can make use of them, but make them judiciously. You can use all these products with your proper understanding and going through the details of the same. If you have any questions, you can ask me directly. I'll give my number. It is 799-077-4805. I repeat the number once, 799-077-4805. Thank you friends. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.